Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the Indeed Smart Job Scout template, the perfect workflow for anyone running a job alert channel. This setup is incredibly streamlined. We only need the job role and the location to get started. From there, the bot visits a custom Indeed link generated from your search query. We then use the List Loop node to cycle through every available job offer, extracting the essential data for each listing to share with your audience. Check out the Run tab. Everything is moving exactly the way we planned. You can see the agent hitting those Indeed listings and successfully grabbing every job title and company name we asked for. When your Run tab looks this clean, you know your workflow is ready for prime time. It's a perfect match for the definitions we set up. Now, let's look at the n8n workflow. It's initiated by a Telegram trigger, followed by our standard input validation. We use an AI agent to extract the specific job role and location from the user's message. By using a structured output parser, we ensure the data is formatted perfectly every single time. These parameters are then passed directly into the BrowserAct node, which launches the search. Finally, the system notifies the user that the scouting process has begun. Once the job data is extracted, we pass it to a specialized AI agent. This agent is instructed to analyze the raw information and organize it into a user-friendly, refined array. The content is specifically formatted for the Telegram HTML parsing API, ensuring a professional look. We then split the data to manage message length before broadcasting the listings to the Telegram channel. Just a reminder, make sure to add your specific channel ID in the Telegram node to ensure the posts reach the right audience. Check out this output. Now we've got a feed of fresh job openings that are clear, professional, and ready to go. No more messy code or broken links, just clean, readable data delivered straight to your audience. It really shows the power of combining n8n with a smart AI agent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab the template to start your own job scout today.